From fines to fees to unexplained expenses, we commonly hear your complaints about issues that you're having with your homeowners association. Amy Davis is getting answers to your questions in this week's Ask Amy.
Well, yeah, Sophia, part of the problem is that homeowners often don't know what the rules are, so they can't get answers. Well, anytime I get questions about HOAs, I call attorney David Kahn. He represents homeowners in battles against their HOAs. So viewer Rita asked me, are there any restrictions that speak to how much an HOA can increase dues from one year to the next?
So the short answer to that is it depends. In general, the answer is no. There's no statutory limit, and the reason is there may be an unusual expense that comes up in the homeowners association. If they need to fix the pool, fix the clubhouse, there may be additional costs that they need to pay, and the only people to pay that are the homeowners. In fact, my very first homeowner association case involved a situation where the subdivision had a limit that said no more than either 10% or the cost of living increase in any given year, and your subdivision may have that.
All right, so how do you know if your HOA has these rules? Your subdivision has to make all records like the bylaws public. Here's how Kahn explains that.
Now, the restrictions or the bylaws are supposed to be readily available to homeowners. Sometimes they are, and in those subdivisions I don't hear from people. But if they're not readily available, what do? You go to the county registry of deeds, and if it's too difficult to navigate that, and it can be difficult to navigate that, then you can go to the Texas Real Estate Commission, where at least all the subdivisions are supposed to list all of their governing documents and where to find them.
All right, in today's full Ask Amy episode, we also talk about your options when trying to take an HOA to court. Teaming up with other homeowners in your subdivision might be your best bet. So that full episode will stream today at 11 a.m. on KPRC2+, and we'll also have this information on click2houston.com. Just click on the Ask Amy section from the homepage.
Yeah, if you have questions and you can't find the information that's not public, that's where you got to start.
Yeah, we'll also link you to HOA reform, and that's a really good place to go straight there too and ask some of those things.
All right.